Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I show you how to install Windows 10 on VMware Workstation Pro for free. You can install VMware Workstation Pro for free and also you can get Windows 10 for free. It means you can download and install both of them for free. Here you need Windows 10 image. First, go to Microsoft website, download Windows 10 image. If you have problem on downloading Windows and also VMware Workstation, I have two separate videos for both of them, how to download Windows 10 ISO and also how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro for free. You can find these two links on the description. For installing Windows 10 on VMware Workstation, click here, create a new virtual machine, click on next. Here click on next, select Microsoft. On version, select Windows 10. If you want to install Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you want to install Windows 10, click on next. Here, if you want to change your installation location, you can change from browse, but it is by default on virtual machine. It is okay. You can write any name here you want. For example, I want to write Win10. Click on next. 60 gig space is enough for this installation. Click on next. Click on finish. Here click in this edit virtual machine settings. I want to select 4 gig RAM. 2 is also enough for Windows installation. I want to select 4 CPU. You can select 8, anyone you want, but 2 is also enough. Click in this CD DVD. Here we have use ISO image file. Click here, click on browse. Find your Windows 10 ISO. It is on download for me. Select open. Okay. Power on the virtual machine. Click here. Guys, in this step, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. It will take a few moments. Leave everything as default. Click on next. Click on install now. Choose any of them you want. Click on next. I accept the license. Click on next. Select the second one, custom install. We have OneDrive. Click on next.